How to get coupon code for Duolingo. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To get yourself coupon code for your Duolingo, all you have to do is open up a browser in your preferred device. In the search bar, search for Duolingo coupon. You will find various of websites dealing with coupon codes for Duolingo. You can tap on any of the websites that you prefer. When you tap on it, you will see various of promo codes, offers, deals for your Duolingo. You can tap on any of the coupon that you prefer or you find interesting. All you have to do is tap on See Coupon and it will reveal the coupon code. Just tap on Copy, or to use it, for instance, just tap on Redeem at Site. When you tap on Redeem on Site, it will redirect to the official web page of Duolingo. So in here, to redeem your code, all you have to do is log in into your account. If you do not have an account, just tap on Get Started. Then create a brand new account just for you, and you can easily redeem your code if you are getting yourself a Duolingo Premium. Or just go ahead and log in into your account. Then check out the latest and premium versions of Duolingo. When you are purchasing it, make sure to apply the code that you copied, and that is how you can easily redeem the coupon code as well. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.